Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Mountain Day. International Mountain Day is celebrated annually on 11 December. The day aims to create awareness about the importance of mountains to life, highlight the opportunities and constraints in mountain development, and build alliances that will bring positive change to mountain peoples and environments around the world. Restoring mountain ecosystems is the theme of this year's International Mountain Day on 11 December. The UN General Assembly declared 2002 as the UN International Year of Mountains. On this occasion, it designated 11 December from 2003 onwards as International Mountain Day. This theme was selected to fully include mountains in the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration 2021 to 2030. Mountains cover around 27% of the Earth's land surface and host about half of the world's biodiversity hotspots. As the water towers of the world, they supply fresh water to an estimated half of humanity. Mountains are home to an extraordinary range of plants and animals and to many culturally diverse communities with different languages and traditions. From climate regulation and water provisioning services to soil maintenance and conservation, mountains are key to our lives and livelihoods.